channel Code with Neha. So today I am back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of MySQL series, I have discussed about group by clause in MySQL. You can check the video from the above I button. Today, we will be discussing about joins in MySQL. Why do we need them? And types of joins with example. So, without any further delay, let's get started. We know that SQL is a programming language that is used to interact with relational database. In a relational database, data is stored across multiple different tables and all of these tables are related to one another in one way or the other. For example, we have a table of states with the name of each state and various other attributes, and another table with a list of states and their capital cities. And we want to fetch the data of state with their capitals, then we will use join statement. A join statement is a select that combines records from two tables into a result table based on some conditions called a join condition. The condition tested might be whether two fields' values are the same, so that records having the same values in that essential field can be combined from the two tables into one table. Join can be nested to combine records from more than two tables into the result table. A typical way of using a join statement would be to add columns to tables by looking up matching values in other tables. There are different types of SQL joins. Number 1. Inner join returns records that have matching values in both tables. Left or outer join returns all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. Right outer join returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. And finally, full outer join return all records where there is match in either left or right table. Now let's apply. Today, we are using two tables, customer details and product details under company details database. Today, we will see how we can simply join two tables with join or inner join. Query to fetch customer name, product ID and product name from two tables. First, we will write select followed by from first table, that is customer details, Then second table, product details, we will write the alias as C and P respectively. As we are joining two tables, so using join query in between. Then the condition to join the table. As in both the table, product ID column is common, so the condition is on c.product_id equals to p.product_id. Then writing the column required as the result in the select statement. And here is the result. This is the default join or inner join. In my next video, I will discuss about other types of joins. That's all for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.